What if I told you the best motocross dirt bikes could change your ride forever? In the next few seconds, discover the top 5 motocross dirt bikes you need to know about. Starting with number 5, the KTM 450 SXF. Renowned for its power and agility, it's a favorite among pros. Next up, number 4, the Honda CRF 450R. Its balance and reliability make it a solid choice for any rider. On to number 3, the Yamaha YZ 450F. Known for its advanced technology and smooth handling. Coming in at number 2 is the Kawasaki KX 450, a bike that boasts both speed and comfort. And finally, number 1, the Husqvarna FC 450. It's the ultimate blend of performance and design. Hit the like button if you found this useful.